I think this has to be one of the most expensive Ipsy mystery bags I've ever purchased before. But this is a full-size mystery bag from Ipsy. It comes in at $75. That's a pretty expensive bag for them. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel today where we do all sorts of unboxings over here. Today we are diving into a new mystery bag, and this one, I don't know you guys, it is gonna be amazing or it will be an epic fail. Just knowing Ipsy, that's usually how my luck goes with these mystery bags. But I could not say no to this one because it is a $75 mystery bag that promises 10 full-size items inside of this bag. So on paper, it sounds pretty good. Also, there's a really cute bag to boot with it, so that doesn't help matters either. Like, I get swayed by the numbers. I'm like, $75 for 10 items, that's pretty good. And then if you give me a cute bag on top of it, like, I'm sold. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this bag, I will be posting a link down below for you. This is a limited edition bag, and they estimated the retail value of $269 on this total bag. I only spent $75 on it. There was a $2 handling fee on there as well, plus taxes. So we're gonna say we have about $80 invested into this box. But it does state that you're gonna receive 9 full-size beauty treats plus 1 tool. So do you wanna see our gorgeous bag? So this is the Ipsy bag. I know, right? Because literally that is what I am thinking right now. Like, since when did Ipsy get into full-on handbags? I mean, I have always known Ipsy to do like the little ones. They have branched out and they've done like clutch sizes, like this larger travel size bags. But I've never seen a handbag before. So this is definitely an Ipsy bag. It does have the logo on the front here stating that it is Ipsy. It is all black and they've all been tufted, so it is a little bit puffy of sorts. The handles themselves feel like marshmallows. They're very soft, but they are very squishy. This reminds me of what a sleeping bag is made out of. It just feels very slick, very plushy. I like it. I think it's a very interesting look, but I do think you have to be careful with this too, that you don't want to get it cut or scratched or anything like that. But I think it's a gorgeous bag. On the bottom, it does have a wide base, so this will sit up and you've got lots of storage. And then I definitely hear our products in there. We do have a black zipper on the top here all across it, and then it does have a gold keychain that just says Ipsy. And then inside it is all lined. It looks like we've got one large zipper pocket here at the back. And then at the front of it, you're gonna have 2 cell phone pockets that you're able to put things into. Also, look at how wide that opens. Isn't that great? Like, you can really look in there. First item that I have today is from Jory. This is the Daily Leave-On Acne Treatment Mask. This is 1.5 ounces. It does state that there's benzoyl peroxide in this. It's 2.5%. Next up, I have a lip gloss. This is from Nabla Cosmetics, and it's the Shine Theory Lip Gloss. I have used this. I do like it a lot. So Nabla is a decent brand. This is a full-size lip gloss, and it is a gold gloss with a little bit of shimmer in there. It's called Renaissance, and it does give you just a little bit of shine, but it's very pretty, very neutral. It works for everyone, I feel like. It's a really safe, complementary color. Next item that we have in here is from Sweet Chef, which I believe Sweet Chef is made by Glow Recipe, if I'm not mistaken, that this is like an offshoot of their brand. But this is the Carrot Ginger Blemish Rescue Patch. Oh, so this is for acne again. So these are going to be little stickers. You can see these blemish patches down here. They come in different sizes, and essentially you're just going to put this on an area that you're having an issue with, and it will help to brighten that area up and relieve any swelling that you might have and help to dry that zit out faster. So I do like that they've got different sizes because acne can range. There's also a lot in here. There's 36 patches in total, so there's quite a bit to use. Next up, we have a product from Tarte. Now, this is a vegan lip oil, and it's in the shade Dragon Fruit. So this is what it looks like. And then our shade being Dragon Fruit. Now, lip oils are great at giving you a glossy look. It'll give you some hydration. It won't dry your lips out throughout the day. It's very thick. So this is too thick for myself, but if you like a really thick, glossy lip, you will probably love this. But you can tell it's got a little bit of color on it there, but it's weird, but I can feel the weight of it. That's what I mean by like, it's a really thick oil, is I can feel it on my hand and go, yeah, there's definitely something there. It is not lightweight. Next item is from the ColourPop collection that they partnered up with Disney over. This is the Thumper eyeshadow palette, which I think I have the flower eyeshadow palette already, and I think I got it from Ipsy. So the flower one was all purples, and there's like 5 shades, I think, in it, 5 or 6. But this one is Thumper. I'm wondering if it's going to be more like grays and greens. Let's see here. Oh no, actually, it's got some pink undertones. So this is what it will look like here. So it's neutral, but you can definitely see that pink undertone underneath of those. And then you do have that gold in the center. I get it with Thumper though, because he's got that really cute like pink nose and the pink paws. So I see where they were going with this one, but I do think this is cute to get. Next item is from Kat Berkey. Okay, I approve. This is a great product. This is the Silk Primer. So full-size product at 1 ounce or 30 ml here. This primer is going to be very soft. It's safe for sensitive skin. It says that it's also going to give you glowing ingredients so that your skin will naturally glow. So it's got some vitamin C in there. It's going to brighten up that complexion. And it says that it's a potent dose. So this is what it looks like. It is a glass bottle. This is a good one to have in this bag. It's a great brand. This product, I can't remember exactly how much it costs, but it's not a cheap item. So this one is probably my favorite item so far in this box. Oh, I think I found our beauty tool. And it's exactly what I was afraid of. So this bad boy is super controversial. This is the Sculpting Lift Bar. It is from Skin Inc. and it is a 24 karat gold vibrating massaging facial bar. We're gonna chat about this one. So this bar, when it first came out with Ipsy, which was a few months ago, I remember it coming out and it was like over $100 and everybody's talking about it. It was our icon box, but maybe it was Ipsy X at the time when we actually got this. So this was a big popular item. Ironically, it was in the Ipsy Advent calendar for the year. And I remember pointing this out that I was like, oh, this is where part of your value is at because this is well over $100. I just remembered this product. And it come to find out, this has been shown to be bought for very cheap, like a few dollars, and you can find them everywhere and they're just advertising this inflated value. So they're throwing these into the mystery boxes and advents to bulk up that price tag to make it seem really worthwhile, when in reality, these cost like $2 or $3. So it's super disappointing when you learn that. And so I was afraid when they said you were getting a beauty tool. I was like, I bet you anything it's this sculpting bar again. Like, I'm gonna know it when I see it, and it is. It also tells me that they bought way too many of these. Like when we had it in our Ipsy X bag, they thought everyone was getting that product and not everybody did. And now they've got tons of these left over. So that is really disappointing. So this is what it looks like when you take it out of the box. And essentially it's just a gold plate. It does vibrate and massage, so you can actually take this off on the bottom and the battery will go inside. If I can ever get it unscrewed, there we go. So you just put the battery in there, you'll add this on, and then you can twist it on or off. And then you're able to use this to massage in this area. You can work serums in. It's a decent product, but when you find out that you've been deceived, it's really frustrating. Next item that I have in here is the Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. Now this is also interesting. I have another story to tell you, my ladies and gents. So this product, yes, it is full size, and I do think Aceology is a great brand name. But this was free in their points store. If you had the points through Ipsy, you could get it. I think it was 1,200 points and you could get this for free. And then they put it into the shop and they had it in there cheap. I mean, under $10 again. It was cheap. And when I saw it, I was like, okay, for them to be getting rid of this product, which is a great brand name, and they're throwing it into the point store and cheap on their shop, and now mystery bags, it tells me these are expiring, that this is old stock. And what I'm curious about, now this is total speculation in my own thoughts here. We had this product in the old BoxyCharm days. And what I'm curious about is if Ipsy took over that inventory, had 1 billion of these left over, and now they're trying to get rid of them, which would tell you that this product could easily be 4 years old. There is nothing on here that gives you a date. There's not even a batch number or anything, but I'm just going off of what I remember with BoxyCharm. But like I said, I do know that this was in the point store for free because I got one. And then I also know it was cheap when they had it on their shop as well. So again, it's like when you know this, it makes the mystery bag less worth it. Does that make sense? Like, am I explaining myself well enough? Like, I like the brand. I don't mind this product. I like that it's full size, but it also feels like it's a little bit deceptive. Next item is from MZ Skin, and this is their Lift and Luster Serum. Oh, okay. So we have a glowing serum, and it's 30 ml or 1 ounce full-size product, which is great. This one says you can apply it to the face and neck. You're going to gently massage this in, follow up with a moisturizer, and it will give you a radiating boost. Oh, she is pretty. So this is what it looks like. It is going to be a gold shimmer, and this serum says that it's going to give you some hydration, but it's designed primarily to give you a glowing effect. Next item that I have inside of my bag is from Violet Voss. I remember when this came out as well. This was in BoxyCharm, right? Am I not mistaken? I am pretty sure if you were a part of BoxyCharm back in the olden days, this was in there, and it's the Essentials 2 palette, 10 color eyeshadow palette. Yeah, copyright is 2020. I remember getting this. So this is what it looks like here. I'm telling you guys, like more and more, I'm just starting to feel like we are getting old stock from the BoxyCharm days. That's just what it feels like. So inside I do have a mirror, and then this is what our palette will look like. I remember with this palette, I was like, I love the bottom row, but the top row is just kind of eh. But I do think they're really pretty blues and purples in here. Now, surprisingly, that is 10 items, but I have one additional item inside of my bag here. Now, it's not much, but I do have an Ipsy GLAM bag. So technically, I received 11 items plus the bag, so it's a total of 12 items today. But this is what my glam bag will look like, and I think this one is older again, like a few years ago old, but we do have pink interior here. There's nothing inside of it. So I don't know if this made it into my bag by mistake. Maybe it got knocked in, or maybe they're just throwing them. I'm not sure, but I feel like I wasn't supposed to get this. So that is everything inside of my mystery bag from Ipsy. Comment down below, let me know you guys' thoughts, because I love to know whether or not I am on the same page with you guys on this. I love this bag. I think it's super cute. I love that it's black. It will go with everything. I definitely approve of the bag itself. Now, I am looking for $7.50 per item just to break even with my money today. I am not going to count this at all because I don't think it was technically supposed to be in there. But as far as the $7.50 for my other products, I do think several of them are worth that and then some. So like the Kat Berkey primer, I think is worth that. I do think this glowing serum from MZ Skin, totally worth that as well. I feel like the Jory acne product is worth at least $7.50. For the most part, I do think we've made back our money. The only things that I'm questioning is, like I said, with that sculpting bar, I don't know if it's really worth $7.50. The Aceology mask, Ipsy has been giving away for free, so I don't know if it's really worth that either. So I feel like we are very close. $75 still feels like a lot for this bag. So for Ipsy, I think this is a pretty good mystery bag, truthfully, because I've had some mystery bags where I don't see the value at all. So this one, I can at least see the value. I do know there's some more expensive brands in here, so I don't think this is honestly too bad for them. So comment down below. Like I said, I want to know you guys' thoughts. Would you spend $75 on everything that I just showed you here today? I think the value is very, very close on it. but I do think we have some older stock items in here. So if you do purchase this or any other mystery bag from Ipsy right now, just be mindful that I do think they're clearing out some of their old stock. That might be what you're receiving in these bags. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!